So in front of me I've got Realme Narzo 60. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display and brightness. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change display mode between light and dark. We can schedule the dark mode, and in more dark mode settings we can change dark mode style, adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, reduce contrast in low light conditions, and enable dark mode for third-party apps. Next, we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via auto brightness. Then we can change screen color mode between vivid, natural, and screen color temperature. Next, we can enable eye comfort mode, schedule it, change its temperature, and display effects. Then we can change font and font size. Next, we can change display size, enable video color boost, auto to rotate screen, change auto screen off time between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, change screen refresh rate, and in the end we can hide notch in apps and enable full screen mode for apps. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.